This how to 1 minute will show you how to know the plugins used by a WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to find out what plugins using a website. First of all, open this website isitwp.com, and now you have to enter here the website URL. So I'm going to copy the URL and pasting it here and click on analyze website. And note one thing, that if the website is a WordPress website, then scroll down and here you will get the WordPress theme name, and scroll down, here you will get WordPress plugin details. So as you can see, this website is using this plugin. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.